Check out our newest update. We have an affiliate update where we now have fixed coupon support for affiliates. This feature allows you to create fixed dollar amount coupons for your affiliates, enhancing the flexibility and effectiveness of affiliate marketing campaigns right within the CRM. The benefits are huge on this. First, it's going to increase your affiliate engagement because now you can provide affiliates with an attractive incentive to promote. It's also going to enhance the customer experience because now customers can receive a specific amount off of their purchase when they're working with one of your affiliates. It's also going to improve your marketing strategies and make them more flexible. Now, this is going to enable your business to implement diverse promotional strategies. There's a lot of practical use to this, but let me go over this one. When you run an affiliate program for your online course platform, you can provide your affiliates with a fixed $20 off discount coupon, let's say. This incentivizes affiliates to promote your course while offering potential customers a clear and immediate savings for their purchase. So, let me show you how to utilize this. First, you're going to go into marketing in the left-hand navigation, and then you want to be in the affiliate manager. Once you choose the affiliate manager in that upper navigation, you're going to drop down to affiliate. Now, you can go ahead and select the affiliate you'd like to select. Now let's go ahead and customize a campaign. So we want to be under the active referral links, and then we want to go to customize. From there, we want to select that coupon type. So after that, you're going to go ahead and personalize that offer, and then you're going to hit save. This feature empowers you to create more effective and flexible affiliate marketing campaigns by incorporating fixed dollar amount discounts. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.